Ever wished you could find fun ways to boost your heart health? In the next few seconds, discover 4 exciting cardio workouts that make your heart stronger. Dancing isn't just fun, it's a rhythmic workout that enhances heart function. Dancing for 30 minutes raises your heart rate and strengthens heart muscles. Next, try jump rope. It's an intense cardiovascular exercise that improves heart health quickly. It enhances heart rate, coordination, and endurance. Have you ever thought of climbing stairs? This simple but effective activity improves heart and lung health. It strengthens the heart and reduces cholesterol. Lastly, consider hiking. Hiking combines walking with the challenge of varied terrain. It significantly reduces the risk of heart disease. Like what you see. Subscribe for more tips on staying healthy.